What's going on, guys? So ever since I bought this truck, it's been grinding going into third gear unless I double clutch it or shift very, very slowly, as well as not wanting to go into second sometimes, and first gear is hard to get into as well. So I thought the easiest thing to do was to just swap out the tranny fluid. This is a manual transmission, but it takes automatic transmission fluid, Mercon. So this isn't a how-to video, but I'm just gonna see if I can drain this, and then I'll check in and let you guys know if the shifting is any better. So fingers crossed. Ooh, that's milky. Okay, we're in the truck now. It's a couple days later. I wanted to drive it for a few days to see if it fixed the issue or not. And I am pleasantly surprised, and you guys will be too, that the issue is completely gone now. No grinds into third gear unless you're shifting like really, really fast. But this is a truck transmission that doesn't have super quick synchros, so first to second. It goes into gear easy now too. It's about -6 right now. Yesterday it was -20 Celsius, and it's going into gears easily. So it's safe to say that the issue is fixed. Now we get to go have some fun here.